Today on JiK Labs, we're going to get a new computer set up and ready to go. Let's get started. Now that you have everything together, let's get it all unboxed. So we've got the base plate, and then I guess you want to call this the arm, or whatever you want to call it. Nice little red strip. And open. And here we have the back. This guy, slide it in there, latch it into place. You're going to take your base, pretty simple. The base has got a nice little toggle screw on it, so you can just pull that little lever up. Just put the bottom in the base and then screw it in. Doesn't have to be 1,000 foot-pounds, but just tight enough so the monitor doesn't fall over. There, that's pretty much assembled. We'll wrap her out. And there is one assembled monitor. We'll put this on the desk and then we'll move on to the computer. So now that we got the AOC 34-inch wide curved monitor ready to go, let's move on to the computer. We just got this today. This is the first time us opening it, and so oh look, a box in a box. So I guess we don't need to take that out of the box technically, because it wouldn't be a true unboxing if we took all the boxes out of the boxes. Maybe. You know what? That is going to stay in that box. So we have our Dell cover, which includes our power supply, keyboard, and mouse. There now. Some amazing literature. And here we have the computer. Very nicely packaged, nice and secure. And voila. There she is, folks, the Alienware R12. Put her over here for now, and we'll take it from there. There we go. Alright, so here we have the back of the PC. Realized as we were editing this video together for you guys that I was standing in the way most of the time. So this will make it much easier to see everything that's back there
and to get the lay of the land of where everything should go. Your computer won't look exactly like this, but for the most part, everything you see back here will be on the back of your PC. Here's where you plug in the power into the power supply for the computer. Obviously, it powers everything for you. Down here is where the graphics card is. We're only using one monitor, so we only have one plug-in, but as you can see, this graphics card will allow for multiple monitor setup. And you would just plug in your cables as needed. Over here, these are microphone and speaker jacks. We're running the stereo speakers on this computer for the moment, so we only have the one stereo jack in here. I mentioned earlier in the video that you want to use at the very least a surge protector or a UPS. A UPS is pretty much a battery backup for your computer or any device that you have plugged into it. Here's a shot of the back of the one that we have. And this has a surge protector for your Ethernet cable, so if something comes in through the lines, it doesn't go and fry your Ethernet port or card on your computer, as well as plugs to plug in all your computer and or accessories. On all battery backups, you're going to have a battery backup side, and you can't see it over here, but on this other side here, the right side, is just nothing more than a surge protector. You want to plug your CPU, maybe even your one monitor, on this side so that if the power does go out, you have time to save and shut everything down. But over here, your speakers and other accessories that you don't need to save anything or shut down, you want to plug into. UPSs cost a couple of dollars, but when you spend a couple of $100 or a couple $1,000 on your PC, it's well worth the money to protect your investment. Now that we have everything assembled and ready to go, let's go ahead and hit that power button.
We're going to meet you guys later, but we think we'll just show you because this is really for intro, basics, but once your computer comes on and Windows, this is a PC, so it has Windows 10. It's going to come in through what region are we in. You scroll through, select your correct spot. It defaults to the United States, so that's where we are, so we hit yes. The keyboard layout, we're going to go with the US as well. You want to add a second keyboard? No, we don't want a second keyboard layout. We're going to keep it as US, so we're going to skip that for now. You can always go back through the settings and add things later. License agreement, read it through because I'm pretty sure the cure for cancer is hidden somewhere in here, or COVID, it could be in there. Don't know, but we say accept because you don't have another choice. Let's add an account. We're going to create an account. And apparently, if you have an account, you need to remember it. We're going to create a pin. So this is the privacy. Right now it defaults to everything yes. We don't want that. Don't want that. Yeah, we'll leave that. No, no. Sure. You can read through all them. It's entirely up to you. We're going to skip this for now. It's trying to get us to use OneDrive. So when we purchased this computer, we didn't have any we didn't purchase Microsoft Office or anything to that effect. So I think we're gonna claim our free trial of Microsoft 365 now, because we are actually planning on purchasing that here later. We'll have a video explaining in the future the difference between Microsoft 365 and just buying a either single user or a family pack of Microsoft Office. So we'll try it for free now. So once you go through, you enter your payment information, because you have a 1 month free trial with Microsoft Office 365. Then it's going to charge you $99.99 for the family, which we will have to change because this will be our only computer here, and we will just not need the family. So we will take a look at that later. So put in all your credit card information, and then once you confirm your billing address, and then you can start your trial. We don't want to set up Cortina yet. Register for computer updates. Wait a minute. Now we're finishing up the Windows startup. And it may take several minutes. So go grab a coffee, a tea, whatever may be your preference. And as we're sitting here waiting, I know my wife cannot wait for these cables to be sorted out. Alright, so we have finished the startup process. We're back on the main wallpaper, first time boot, and that's really about it. We're going to add some speakers here in a little bit. Pretty much whatever speakers you have, they have audio jacks in the front or the back of the PC. Take a look at that, rearrange the cabling, make it a little bit nicer, and you'll be good to go. Now that your PC is set up and ready to go, I want to hit on one more topic, is that when you're figuring out where to put your computer, a lot of people don't like to put them on the desk because it takes up a lot of valuable space. So putting them on the floor is the ideal solution for that. But I would err on the side of caution for a couple of reasons. One is that if you have carpeting and not a hardwood floor, is that it may impede some of the airflow for some of the fans. Also, if you have pets, that's where a lot of the pet hair and everything is on your floor and on our carpets. Computers are very hot machines that require a lot of fans and a lot of cooling, and those fans are constantly drawing in air from the outside. So if they're sitting on the floor, you can suck in that animal hair, and it just makes your computer dirty on the inside and a lot less efficient when cooling, which could cause long-term potential problems for your PC. But with that said, the choice is yours. I hope you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying your new PC. Join us next week where we're going to explore something. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button and let us know what you think in the comments. We're open to suggestions. This is a new channel for us. We're hoping to grow and see you guys along the way. Thanks again.